Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to add desktop icon this PC control panel option on Neo Windows. For adding you have to click personalize option, then expand it, then click themes, then you have to choose desktop icon settings from the right corner. Click desktop icon settings, then you are seeing that computer recycle bin, users, files, control panel and network. Select all checkbox. After selecting all box, click apply, then OK. Then close it. Now we are seeing that this PC network control panel added, recycle bin also added. Now you can go from this PC shortcut. You can also pin it to the start menu. Search this PC option from the search bar. After showing this PC option, you can pin it to the text bar. Pin to the text bar and pin to the start. Now you are seeing that this PC option is added to the text bar. Similarly, you can add control panel recycle bin also. Right click on it to text bar and pin to start. If you want, you can swap it to the text bar or rearrange it at the text bar. If you want, you can unpin from the text bar. Right click on it and unpin. So that's all. Thanks for watching.